Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're looking at Boeing. Okay, Boeing's had quite a little ride here, and you can see we're about at a localized top. Seems like we're either going sideways or down currently. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna capitalize on that, and we're gonna sell a covered call. All right, we're gonna sell at about a month out, and we're going at 220, just to give it some wiggle room between between where it's at and 220 is about the top. So we're gonna place this trade. Still 300 bucks. I mean, it's not bad, right? So all right, you guys can see my position here in Boeing. All right, got a couple covered calls for December 15th expiration. Currently doing okay. So be sure you guys subscribe and join the channel for real-time updates. All right, that's all I have for today. Thanks for watching.